So the City of Stratford has taken a number of actions to try to, first of all, combat COVID-19. We have closed our playgrounds. We have, of course, closed our sports fields. We had already previously closed our recreation and community facilities. We have now closed our offices to the public, as well as all city buildings. We have a number of employees working from home where possible. We have gone into essential service mode with regards to hydro, water, and wastewater. And our police are in a heightened sense of community, making sure they're out and very visible. On the economic side, what we've done to support the residents of our community, of course, we've had layoffs like many communities have. We are working at Invest Stratford to provide up-to-date information for people looking for employment insurance opportunities, and of course for business owners looking for some of the federal and provincial programs they can access to have some sort of stimulus to their business. Along with that, the City of Stratford is waiving interest and penalties on wastewater billing for a period of time, as well as on the April 9th tax due date, allowing people to work out a payment program over a 4-month period while waiving interest and penalties to those. If you still owe money from your previous tax installment, we can't help you with that. We are talking about the period now that's upon us. So I would say daily, our economic development agency, Invest Stratford, is working with the Chamber of Commerce, the Downtown Business Association, the Stratford Tourism Alliance, which encapsulates many of the organizations, businesses within our community, small and large, to provide them up-to-date information. Community Futures and our Small Business Center are involved as well, and we are trying to help people access the senior levels of government, federal and provincial, that have the funding available to them. So the transit in Stratford has been free since last Thursday. We ask people to enter through the rear door of the bus. They do not have to pay. It allows the social distancing between the driver and the passengers. We're asking them to do the same. We've had a phenomenon though the last couple of days. We've had to ask residents that if you don't need to ride the bus, it's not a place for you to go and just get on the bus and ride around the community. Only do it if you're taking it to go to a medical appointment or to get essential items, or because you're an essential worker, you're going to and from work. But please do not use it as an opportunity to tour the city. So we have started a program called, in support with United Way, Help for Good. And what it is we are allowing people to register as volunteers and allowing people to register to say, hey, I need help. I'm a shut-in. I'm an elderly. I'm medically compromised and I don't want to go out. Those individuals that have registered to help will be married up with those other ones, and they'll go pick up essentials for them. They'll drop things off on their porch, and they'll do everything they can to assist them. As well, our Stratford Lakeside Active Adults Association has put a number of their programs online with the support of city staff. So this morning, as an example, the yoga class, which would normally have 30 to 40 participants at the seniors complex, was actually done online today, and they had 30 participants join them online. So we're trying to find ways to keep connecting with our seniors, those that are shut in and vulnerable, and those that are active that still want to get out. Well, we understood there was a need within our community to help those vulnerable and shut-ins. Married that up with, of course, the United Way, here in Perth United Way, and Ryan Erb and his staff, who were wanting to go out and provide opportunities to assist. And we had a lot of residents calling us, trying to find a way that they can be part of a solution. They know they have to stay home. They know they should self-isolate. They want to give social distancing, but they also know that there's people that need help. And this was an opportunity for us to collaborate and provide that service for those in need, but also respecting what health professionals have asked us to do. Go home and only come out if it's to get an essential item. And in this case, we're using it to help people that need essential items. Well, I would say what they want to do is go to the Perth, here in Perth United Way website, register there. They can go on their Facebook page, or they can always call the office. 211 is still available within our area, and they can help you there as well. And all of those services are coordinated through the United Way along with the City of Stratford Social Services Department. And of course, we're doing everything we should do along that, background checks and making sure appropriate volunteers in place. And we are trying to deliver a service that'll help everyone in a time of need. Well, I just want to say thank you to the frontline workers, whether you're in healthcare or public health, you're providing an essential service, you're driving the transit buses or the transport trucks, a grocery clerk, a pharmacy. All of those individuals are working immense amount of time right now away from their family, and they are worried, they are scared. So do your part for them. Don't go out unless you have to. Keep your social distancing, and please know that we're all in this together, and collectively, if we all work on the same direction, and that's keeping social distancing and only going out when we matter, we're going to keep everyone safe.